Hey, welcome back to Stevie Tech. This is the channel where we do app highlights and game shoutouts each week, so definitely be sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything. Now this week we're going to go ahead and throw out a game shoutout. Now this is for a game that I came across. It's actually Hitman Sniper, and this is actually a pretty fun and addicting game. I've played it quite a bit. Okay, so here we got your basic loading screen. We'll go ahead and hop right into some gameplay here for you. It gives you your little objectives there on that screen. Now the premise of this game obviously is you're a sniper. You go in, you have lungs over here on the right, which of course allows you to hold your breath to steady the gun, and then you go through and you have to tap inside the scope to actually fire the gun. Now of course with this, as you can see up in the top left hand corner there, it's going to pop up with your current score, the objectives you have, and then your main objective, which is underneath the dotted line there, which is kill Marcus. As you can see, you kind of just use the scope, you go through the different levels, you find the person that you need to take out, go ahead and take him out, and you can zoom in and out so that you can get your moving kills and things of that effect. As you can see, there's quite a few different people walking around. More people that obviously you kill, the better off your score is. As you can see, sometimes you alert them. If you manage to do it without alerting anyone, of course you get a higher score. But if you just want to kind of take a look here, this is some gameplay I wanted everybody to check out. As usual, the link for the game is going to be down in the description, so definitely be sure to check it out. I think it's a fun game, especially if you're a fan of the Hitman series, like me. So definitely go ahead and take a look at this one. And I'm going to go ahead and I'll let y'all check out some of the gameplay footage here, and let me know what you think. Now this is a really fun game. It is very interesting and intuitive. As you can see, here's your little screen for what you get whenever you succeed in the mission. And you open it up to obtain different parts, money, and different things to that effect, which you can use, of course, to buy other weapons and different upgrades and things in the game. But with this, as you can see, it's a fairly simple game. It's not really that complex. Of course, the further you get, the more interesting and things it does become. But definitely I would check this out if you are a fan of the series. Like I said, it is a really fun and addicting game. Once you start playing it, you just kind of keep going. Of course, you can go in and buy different guns and things, but I tend to try to focus more on the free side. But that's this week's game shout out, and I do want to thank you for watching. And of course, as always, definitely remember to like and share the video, and hit that subscribe button so you can stay in tune for next week's app highlight and game shout out. Hey, thank you. You have a good one.